everyone, it's the Cake Lady, and I am coming to you today from my cake design studio. And I have a great little tip for an organizational hack that I found on Pinterest the other day. And my wonderful husband helped me come up with the actual plan and actually got it accomplished for me. So I don't know if you're like me, but I have a lot of cookie cutters, and there's not I hadn't found a really good way to store them, display them, to where I could actually find them easily and not have to dig around. So this is the before. This is how I would store them. I had them in drawers, or I had them in little containers. And you have to dig around to see what you have. And I had forgotten that I had some of these cookie cutters. A lot of them just kind of get stuck in the back and I never use them again. So I found a pin on Pinterest that helped with this. And so basically, if you have cabinet doors that have raised panels, like these are the raised panel cabinet doors, there is a recess in the back on the inside part where it gives you just a little bit of space. Okay, and if those look like your cabinet doors, you can do this little organizational hack very easily. So here's what we did. My husband installed this pegboard. You can buy it at any home improvement store like Lowe's or Home Depot, Menards. They come in all different sizes and colors. You can buy some that's pre-painted. We just bought the brown. You can paint it after you get it home. You can cut it to size, so if you have wide doors like this, it would work. You could even install it in these very skinny doors like this one. But this is really handy, and it comes with a variety of hooks and pegs for it. You have these, you have like little that look like hooks. They even have baskets that you can store items in. So we worked on this. He put it up yesterday. It took probably not long at all, maybe 5 or 10, 15 minutes. And then I came down here and I organized my cookie cutters, and this is what they look like. And here we have it. We have a lot of my cookie cutters on these hooks. Depending on how long the hooks are, you can double them up. Some of the hooks you can only put one on that are smaller. I love this little basket. I put a lot of my holiday cookie cutters that don't have a way to hang them. You can't just stick them on the hook, they'll fall off. So this basket really comes in handy to hold those kind of odds and ends. Let me show you my other side, because this is not my only side of cookie cutters. Here's my other door. And on the other side that I showed you first, it has some specialty items, cutters. This has my more generic, like I have all my circle cutters, all of my squares, just different shapes that are kind of similar. But you can see here, I can put quite a few. I got all my hearts, and this is a very long hook, but when I close it, it doesn't get in the way of anything. So I'm still able to have all my storage down here. But now I have a great way to come in and say, okay, I need a heart cookie cutter. Well, here's one. So super handy, super easy, and a really fairly cheap way to fix a storage problem. Well, I hope you enjoyed that organizational hack. I hope you found it very helpful. Now, don't feel like you have to keep this only for cookie cutters. You can use this a lot to store other items in your kitchen, along with your tools and things in the garage. Pegboards have always been really useful in the garage. But we also recently put up a huge pegboard in my son's bedroom to hold all of his Nerf guns. I was getting tired of finding them on the floor, under his bed. They were just kind of scattered everywhere. So my husband installed the pegboard in his room. We got a bunch of longer hooks, and he was able to put all of his guns up there. So now when he has those epic Nerf gun wars, he's able to grab one at a moment's notice. And it also kind of makes a neat decorative piece in his room, because it's pretty amazing to see all of these Nerf guns just displayed out there. So if you have a Nerf gun lover, that's a great way to store them as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, and if you haven't had a chance yet, please subscribe to my channel. I do like to give a lot of recipe ideas. I like to share decorative ideas for cakes and cookies and cupcakes, and sometimes I also share like a little home improvement or organizational hacks. So check it out, please subscribe. And from my design studio to yours, I hope you have a wonderful day.